Hello everyone, this is Pujita here. Today I'm going to be talking about how I made my first static website. So for starting basics, we have a HTML syntax. And then in the body I write the content of what I want in my website. So for this I'm writing about a novel. So my heading will be Lady Midnight, the novel's name, and I write a paragraph about it. And I also have a button installed to it. So after writing the code in the whole syntax, I click the play button and I get my output in the left side of the page. Let's say next I want my output in the middle of the page, like in the center. So that is basically like a style in your a website. So for that, we'll have to use CSS. So for bringing the text to a center, use a property called as text align colon and then the value which you need. That is basically for me, I need in the center. So I'm writing center semicolon. That is the CSS part. Now you have to combine your CSS and your HTML so that you get the desired output. So for that, for combining them, you use an element, an attribute element in HTML. So let's say for me, I want my heading, paragraph, and the button to the center of the page. So I'll be using a div element which has all three together. So in the div open tag, I'll be writing the attribute name, which is class, and its value, which is card. So why card? Because my text aligns selector's name is card. So I'll be using the same thing here. And then I click the play button and I get my text to center. So next thing I'm doing is changing the color of the text. So let's say for the main heading here, I have changed the color, property name to red. And that's how I have this. And then now I have to connect it to your HTML. So for that, the same way we'll be using the attribute in the heading open tag, which is the class and the main heading because selector's name is main heading over there. And then I click the play button and we get it as red. So same way if I try doing it for the paragraph. So here I have given it as yellow. So I can change it to let's say light blue and then I click the play button. So we have it changed here. And that's because I already have given my attribute in the paragraph button in the HTML part. So and then next I change the background color the same way. So here I've given the background color as black. So I have the black thing here. So next thing which I did was doing some styling with the font. So first thing which we have is a font family. So for the heading, I've given the font as lobster and this is how it looks. So let's say we change it to something else like the Playfair Display SE and we play it. Yeah. So we have the font changed. And for my paragraph, I also gave a font called Roboto, which is this one. And then our next one which we did was font style. So to make the heading look more appealing, I changed to italic. So let's say I give it back to normal. Let's see how it looks. It looks straight like this. So to make it look more like a heading and appealing, I had done it to italic. We go back to it. This is how it looks. And then next we have font size. So my heading is 40 pixel and my paragraph is 15 pixel. Let's say I change it to some 18 pixel. So we have the paragraph more bigger. And the next one is the font weight, which is basically making it bold or lighter. So I chose to have my paragraph bold. So this is how it looks when you would do it in bold. And the last one which we did was text decoration, which is basically to underline the main heading and make it look more appealing. I used underline and I click the play button and this is how I got my output. So now I save this file and then publish it. So now I can see my own website. So here it is. So all the changes which we did in HTML CSS gave us output of a first static website in this way. So that's how I created my first static website. Thank you.